Magic 89.9.
Today's best music, Magic 89.9. Khaled with Heat Stroke. Ba? Ayaw magulo yung buhok niya. I had to remind Wee, hey, put on your headset. But he's looking mighty fine today. I knew it. Dapat ako laging maganda eh.
Ikaw pa rin naman eh.
Anyway, welcome to For the Road. Hi, boys.
Hello.
Okay, how's your week so far?
Pretty much, for me, uneventful. And tiring.
Uneventful, mukhang nasa ano ka na naman eh. Beauty, nasa spa ka na naman.
My
Narinig ko yung
gosh.
kanina ha.
Narinig
Wala ka
mo.
naman sa bahay ko ng weekend ah.
Grabe. How was it? I know, I remember last year we were complaining about traffic coming here, diba? It was so bad. How was it today?
Today was not so bad. Actually.
And you came from Pasig.
Yes, Pasig.
Okay.
It took me like 20 minutes.
So what was up?
Yeah.
What was
Last
up
week
with
was just
last week?
awful.
Why? I don't understand because I got stuck in heavy traffic too. But
Probably, I don't know, because of the sun? You know, if
it's pretty hot today too.
If it's gloomy, all cars
Yeah,
are slow.
yeah.
You know, if it's sunny, everyone's
I
fast.
I was telling Tina, today wasn't really that hot. Okay lang.
It is.
It is. Eh, guys, I don't
Nakamotor
know.
ako eh. Baka wala sira aircon ng mga sasakyan mo.
No, I'm just walking from the parking, like literally a 30-45 second walk. I felt like I was in Dubai or something.
Wow.
I mean, thank
Masakit
God
sa balat.
for the aircon in the elevator.
Yeah.
Wow. I was soaking wet na before I
Talaga?
entered.
Naligo ba kayo ngayon?
Oh,
Baka
yeah.
naman di kayo naligo.
With matching,
Gabi nakamotor ka,
Rexona.
mahanap kayo eh.
Bawal as emergency.
You know what? Yeah, but traffic today was really fine.
Good.
Balik sa dati, it took me 15 minutes from BGC to go here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Last week, it took me 45 minutes.
An hour nga, di ba?
And last week was
It
really
bad.
Last week was hotter for me. I took the bike last week too, but yeah.
Wow.
Last week was hotter.
Really? Baka
Okay.
wala lang sun. Pero
Oo
the
nga.
sun was really out today.
Like, I don't even feel like I should be here in the booth. I should be in the beach. In my bikini or
Are
something.
you a beach bum?
I am.
Really?
I do better in the, like, hotter weather than...
Okay.
The cold, oh my gosh. Aircon nga, nagrereklamo pa ako eh.
What?
Yeah. Like right now, it's a
Aircon
bit...
is life.
It is, but like right now, I'm getting the sniffles already. So For the Road, 211, welcome to the show. Today, as we've mentioned earlier, me and Egay, we're going to talk about the freaking ridiculous price hike
Yep.
of the NAIA parking.
Yes.
And of course, the much-awaited RFID abolishing cash lanes, which
Has yet to happen because they keep moving the deadline to...
I could never understand dahil sa
Ewan ko.
magrereklamo yung mga tao, i-move na naman ba? Ganun ba yan?
Yeah, always.
Ever since
Twice or thrice.
Yeah, mga ganun na.
Diba? Ilang
Ever since
beses na
talaga,
yan.
diba, magkaiba yung ownership ng kabilang side, diba? And the other side.
Okay, see
Yes.
that? Tell me about this.
stupid.
So, magkaiba. What do
Okay,
you...
so when we talk about auto sweep, so auto sweep,
an RFID.
Yes.
Auto sweep and...
easy trip.
there you go.
Yeah, so auto sweep is Skyway,
Uh-huh.
SLEX, ano pa ba? Star Tollway, and T-Plex. Those are
Okay.
all auto sweep.
And
San Miguel
then
Corporation. And then
Easy-
Easy Trip, NLEX, SETEX,
Basta pa
Calax.
north.
No, they have
Ay,
south
hindi
also.
rin.
Calax and Cavitex
See?
are
So weird.
are Easy Trip.
I was today years old. Okay, wait.
Magkakaiba.
I don't understand. And forgive me for sounding stupid, but why can't it just be one company?
know,
And why can't
I
it just
know.
be regulated by the government? Sa iba bang bansa, private,
It started
Sa
that
ibang
way
bansa,
kasi.
It's just one.
it's just one. And is it like, parang government or
Because I
whatever?
believe in-
Yeah.
Okay.
It's very intuitive there.
I believe because the reason why there's only one abroad because it's run by the government. Tama ba?
That's
Ngayon sa
supposed to
atin
be
kasi mahilig tayo
the
sa
case.
privatization because di ba ayoko nang sabihin kung bakit pero kayo na mag-isip kung bakit laging ganon yung mga government laging napaprivatize o pinaprivatize mas gumaganda.
Ba't di mo
Like-
sabihin?
Oo nga. Oh, but yun na yun eh.
Ayoko manggaling sa akin. Binabasa ko lang yung text ni Wee sa akin.
Meaning, hindi guys, eto seryoso. Meaning, pinagpa-privatize ang government kasi depende sa highest bidder ba yun?
Not really, but
Ay, nako.
not really, but
I wouldn't be surprised.
Okay,
No,
no,
but-
I'm just wondering. Okay.
unfortunately, the private corporations, they do it better than the government. For us, I'm talking about the Philippines.
Yeah.
but what's
Unfortunately,
happening?
di ba? So, lahat naman before Skyway came, like whatever company, that is, no, di ba? SMC Infrastructure, NLEX by Manny Pangalinan's group. Before that, kung naalala nyo ba, PNCC.
Yes.
Ang nagra-run ng
Yes,
highways
PNCC.
natin. Yun yung
This was so long
cheaper
ago.
tollways,
Okay.
cheaper toll fees. Like from Sucat to Nichols is 2 pesos, from Bikutan to Nichols was 1 peso. Pero the quality of our roads back then were not really bad, Even worse NLEX that time. So, okay, so privatize.
Okay.
Okay, so San Miguel came
Look
and
at
MDP
Egay doing his
came.
homework. Woo! Okay.
Di
Go.
ba? So, lahat naman yun may trade-off eh. Di ba? Gaganda, but for a fee. For a fee, okay? Now, what I don't understand is, si Auto Sweep, no, matagal na yan eh. Actually, bumalik pa tayo mas matagal. If you guys remember the E-Pass. Okay?
E-Pass?
Yeah,
Yung mas
first
malaki.
ever RFID.
Yung mas malaking...
The big with a toot.
Oo.
What year was this? Wait. It sounds familiar.
98, 99, 2000?
Up to 2007,
Why don't I remember
Please
this?
correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, doon pa lang, nung inintroduce yung E-Pass, ang sabi nila, in a year's time, in maybe 5 years, wala nang cash lanes. Puro RFID na, di ba? Never happened. They never implemented the no cash lane.
I think they're trying now, right?
Eto na nga. So, nawala na yung E-Pass We, di ba? So, RFID na tayo ngayon. There's Easy Trip and Auto Sweep. Nakailang announce na rin sila na hanggang dito na lang ang cash lane natin. After
Last week,
effective ganito, wala nang cash lanes. Okay, inumpisahan nila yung gradually. 2 lanes na lang ang cash lane or 1 na lang. For some exits, isa na lang ang cash lane.
Yeah.
Then, tuwing darating na yung deadline, may
Mumove
outrage
nila.
on SOCMED,
Ah.
i-move na naman nila. So, I think they've done that 2 or 3 times already.
Parang transport strike lang yan, di ba?
So I guess we're gonna talk about the RFID issue now.
That's a different topic.
Atansky said here in New South Wales, Australia, government runs the tollways. Private companies tap as collecting toll fees via RFID. Hi, DJ Marcus. Hi, and Jake Lemons. Ryan Isana, formerly
hi.
of
Hey, buddy.
Geely.
Yeah.
He is,
Birthday yata ngayon?
ngayon ba?
Birthday ba
Yes,
ngayon?
yes. I was able to
Ryan,
meet him.
he's on a road trip with the family. Oh,
Happy birthday, bro.
Ano ka ba? RFID ka ba? Sa ano ka? South or northbound?
Wait, is he back?
He's back.
Ryan?
He's here for a few weeks lang.
Okay.
Oo.
And the thing is, you have to have both, di ba?
Yes.
Yeah.
trip
Otherwise, okay. So who had the bright idea of separating the two?
No, no one had the bright idea of combining them. So, there's that. Yeah.
Pero so, how do you think we will? Anong benefit natin basically if i-abolish ang cash lane?
Like, well, before we went on air, no, Tina and I were discussing about this. And sa cash lane kasi, pag humaba na ang pila, nabablock nila yung lanes
Ng
ng
ETC,
RFID
RFID,
lanes. So, nagta-traffic.
Nabablock nila in a sense
So,
na...
some are, merging.
Nagmamerge,
to the cash
nagiging
lane.
bottleneck eh, di
This
ba?
one is papalapit, this one is
Akala ko
blocked.
sisingit lang.
Ibang story pa yan.
Okay. So
So,
nagba-bottleneck basically.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, kasi
Okay,
humaba yung pila ng cash lanes.
Okay.
Ngayon, sabi ko kay Tina kanina, meron pa tayong isang problema. Yung mga entitled na walang RFID. Pag sobrang desperate o nainip na sila, papasok na yan sa RFID lane at
Kunwari.
pakikiusap.
Yeah.
Ma'am, sir, sorry, cash na lang. Nagmamadali ako, di ba? And good thing, alam mo ngayon, di ba?
May fine.
May fine na.
Talaga?
Pina-fine na nila. That's what I know. I may be
Do-
wrong. Pero narinig ko parang may fine na ngayon yan.
Ryan, if you pass by, inutusan si Ryan, pwede pa kita kung magkano yung fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so
try niya,
how
try
do we
niya.
find out? And if there's
And
a
ito pa isa.
fine,
There's one more. I wanna add to. Di ba meron ng signs na specific for motorcycles?
October
Yeah.
24 or something.
dapat
last day na
bawal
daw.
na sumingit, di ba?
for motorcycles lang.
Oo, kasi yun naman ang mahilig sumingit mga motor
Okay.
Diba?
Okay, I didn't know that.
Ang balita ko, parang magkakaroon na rin yata ng fine.
Ang mga motor.
Yes, pag sumingit kayo sila sa pila.
Bakit ngayon ang ginawa yan?
Yeah, exactly. You
Okay.
know,
Oh God, I hate those.
I
dapat
wonder,
matagal na rin ginawa.
I wonder who we can tap from the,
Yeah.
land,
Actually.
ano ba to? Ano sakop nito? Land Transpo.
Well, if
No,
we're talking about the tollways, then it's either AutoSweep or Easy
Yeah.
Trip.
Okay, somebody.
Private, ano nga
Let's
private.
invite somebody from them.
Yep.
No,
Pwede ba i-combine nyo na
invite
lang?
them both at the same time.
Oo,
Ask them,
rambulan
what are
dito.
you waiting for, guys?
Magsani puwersa na kayo guys, hihirapan na kami. Hello. Okay.
Anyway, so that's one, no? AutoSweep is owned by San Miguel Corporation, SMC Infrastructure, and the other one, Easy Trip naman, is by MVP Group yan So now we go to our next topic, which is the new parking fees of NAIA.
Okay, sige.
Yeah.
Okay.
Marami ring
Outrage
marami ring galit. So
Okay, teka, si Sir Wayne, medyo, Sir Egay. O sige, I will give your message to Sir Egay. Thank you so much, Sir Wayne. We will get back to you shortly. Okay, so from
so-
RFID, tapos na tayo.
yes, let's move to the new parking fees of NAIA.
Okay,
Diba?
so
Insane.
I just found out and my jaw dropped. But before we give you more info on that, alam niyo naman ayun, yung mga importanteng bagay. Oy, perfect! It is 2:20. That time check was brought to you by Ginomoto Soup and Go, Ohio. Make good mornings brighter. Ayan. And we have a song coming up right now which is being brought to us by our friends from Dunkin. Pasalubong ng Bayan. Here's Lato with H&M. On today's best music.
For you, baby. Hold that for you, daddy. Blowing kisses at you. Yeah, you know this. I don't fight for.
Magic 89.9.
As requested via playback.tv/magic899. We are live there, so you can watch us anytime, anywhere in the world. Playback.tv/magic899. Spread the word. We're talking 4 wheels, 2 wheels, RFIDs, parking fees. This is for the road. Ryan said both RFIDs daw.
Good for you, buddy.
Diba? So, Mad Crisis, Lalakas Park and Fly. Okay, first and foremost, I've never parked. I've never tried.
In Park and Fly.
I
Okay,
don't
that's-
even know how much they charge.
Well,
Who said about who mentioned Park
Si
and Fly?
Mad Chris pala, Mad Chris. Lalakas na ang Park and Fly.
Mad
Because,
Chris. Okay. This is what I read, no. There are some travelers who said siguro depende sa oras, no. Lagi na rin daw kasi puno ang
yeah.
ang Park and
Usually,
Fly.
puno na siya.
okay,
Ay,
the
ano
only
ba?
Park and Fly I know is sa may domestic, tama? Yun lang.
Yeah.
Yun lang naman.
That's the only
Yun lang
Park
ba?
and Fly.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, so every time nga, totoo, that's true puno siya. So,
Have you
yung
tried
next stop-
parking there?
Yeah, I've
And how long did you leave your car?
3 days. Parang last kong park dun is like 800 a day.
Crap.
I'm so, please again, correct me if I'm wrong, but
800 per
I know,
day.
alam kong hindi siya mura. So, parang I didn't wanna do it again. So, every time I use Grab na lang,
Yeah.
carpool with someone else.
Oh.
You
but
could have
yeah.
called me. I could lend you
Yeah, right.
I could
Yeah,
lend you my
angkas ka niya.
driver's.
I knew it.
Anyway,
Kas kanya sa scooter.
okay, so let's go to the shocking news the other day. no?
Okay, yeah. So this came out all over social media. Tama?
Yeah,
Okay.
September 30. no?
Okay.
Nag-announce sila. By the way, this is the new NAIA Infra Corp. So, NNIC. Also owned by SMC, by San Miguel
This is the
Corporation.
new management na, no?
Yes. Okay. So, nag-announce sila na from 40 pesos, I'm talking about cars, from 40 pesos magiging 50 pesos na for cars. Okay? For cars. Ngayon, first 2 hours is 50. Now, your succeeding per hour will be 25
This
pesos.
is the previous.
No, this is the new
Present.
rate.
Oh.
From 40 now,
Fif-
it's 50 now.
From 40, it became 50.
Okay.
Okay. For cars, for motorcycles, it's now 20 for the first 2 hours. And for buses, 100 pesos. That's the new rate.
Okay.
Not so bad.
Not so bad, right? Now, when you go to the overnight rate,
There.
the new overnight parking rate, no, that used to be 300 pesos for all cars, buses, trucks. Ewan ko kung pati motor, no, 300. Now they have, it's gonna be for cars, it's gonna be 1,200 per day. From 300.
From 300 to 1,200? Anong basihan nila?
Sa kotse yun. Sa motor, parang motorcycles 480 pesos and for buses 2,400 pesos. Wow. Okay. So, maraming nagalit nung September 13th. So yesterday, they emailed us. Sorry, si Wee, hindi yan nagbubukas ng email, may secretary yan.
Loko-loko ka.
Okay,
Wala.
so
That's the truth, actually.
paano magbubukas ng email yan? Yan sa kama. Hinihilod yung mukha niyan.
May email na sa phone, guys.
Yes.
24 na.
Oh
Anyway,
my gosh.
one of the key changes, according to them, no? Kasi ang sinasabi, they wanna profit from, they just took over, so they wanna, diba, mabawi agad. Siyempre ang sinasabi naman nila hindi. According to NNIC, gusto nilang i-prioritize yung totoong traveler. Okay, so binabasa ko I'm reading their emails, no? Sabi, marami pala because of the old fee na 300 ang overnight parking, no? By the way, sabi nga nila, the last time na NAIA increased their parking fees was back in 2014. That's 10 years ago. Okay. Marami pa lang nagpa-park sa NAIA ng overnight na hindi naman, wala namang flight.
Wait, why am I gonna park my car unless kung malapit ako sa area?
Siguro malapit yung office na doon or whatever. I don't know.
Parang, wow.
Diba? Pero
okay.
medyo malayo nga rin lalakarin. Malayo din. But siguro kung medyo nasa tapat ka lang, diba? I don't know. But 300 is really cheap for an overnight parking.
Oo.
Diba? So that's one reason. Nako-congest, gusto nila mas marami silang ma-accommodate na totoong travelers, totoong turista. No? And then another reason, sabi nila, meron silang mga monthly parking arrangements pala. Tatanggalin, hindi na nila i-renew yun. So, hindi naman nila sinabi kung ilan yung slots nila for monthly arrangements. No? Pero tatanggalin na raw. Hindi naman tatanggalin. Pero pag nag-expire, hindi na daw nila i-renew yun.
Okay. So, given those circumstances that happened before, what do we expect from that big jump or big leap of a price? No, anong magiging adjustments na mangyayari for the real travelers if ganun kalaki yung tinaas ng price?
Oh, parang hello kung from 300 to 1,200, parang if you, 'di ba, parang meal ko na yun sa
Of course.
Isa, 'di ba?
Parang
pag
nagtaas ka nga,
pag quarter pounder na yun.
Yeah.
Pag nagtaas ka nga ng fee ng dinoble mo agad, masakit na 'di ba? Maraming umangal. Ito hindi to doble.
Triple.
At least man lang may, let the public know. Hindi like email. I mean, gets mo?
No, I don't understand where they based the new pricing. Parang
Yes.
from 300 to
They
1,200.
didn't state. They just said they are prioritizing tourists and travelers.
So why don't they? I mean, kung from 300, say I'm traveling. Why can't they check the IT, diba, or plane? Diba you have what do you call that? Yung
I mean, we have miles, we
e-ticket.
have records. Diba?
Yeah, e-ticket. If you're para to show that, hey, I'm traveling today, so give me the 300 parking rate.
Meron ako nabasang ganyang suggestion from
I think this is the initial setup pa lang. Kasi, medyo rocky pa, starting pa lang. So,
Hindi, pero kasi effective October 1 ba o October 2? Effective soon di ba?
Oh my gosh.
hindi lang lalakas yung parking. So, lalakas din yung Grab. So,
Yeah.
Si Sir Wayne, sabi niya, Ma'am Tina. Eto, teka. Ma'am talaga. Hi, sir. Thank you po. Parang guru lang. Ma'am Tina, regarding sa mga penalty na sinabi ni Sir Egay, ay naka-hold yung Naka-hold yun. Kasi under investigation po ng Congress and balita po yun dahil anong violation ng papatol ng... Okay.
Well, is this regarding the motorcycle?
Yeah, I think medyo na-offense si Sir Wayne dahil hindi naman daw siya sumisingit. We're not saying naman po, Sir Wayne, na lahat ng
Yeah,
motorista
not
sumisingit. Opo.
Sorry, what's he talking about? I can't read from here.
Yung violation daw sa...
Pag sumingit sa tollway.
Pag sumingit, oo.
Okay, I'm sorry, Wayne, Sir Wayne, no? Sabi ko nga hindi ako sure, pero
We're
ang
trying
alam
to
ko,
find out. Oo.
ang alam ko, dapat may penalty niyan or lalagyan na nila ng penalty yan.
Oo.
Yeah.
Because Sir Wayne, I'm
I'm guessing he's a biker.
Yes, nagbabike, nag-ano rin daw siya, nagmomotor. Ako po, future motorista na rin po ako.
Di ba present?
Hindi, in my head. But thank you, Sir Wayne. Ayan, Mad Chris, di naman nila lahat pero madalas ako makakita na sumisingit na motor sa NLEX, especially yung mga solo riders.
Alam
Which,
mo,
thank you, Mad Chris, because I also see it a lot.
Yeah.
Oo.
alam nyo, masabi ko lang I read on kahit saan namang SOCMED pages.
Oh,
No?
effective kahapon pala yan eh.
Oh, yun. October 1 nga.
Oo.
Anyway,
Thank you, Christian.
Thank you. Going back to the bikers who would cut lines, no? Mabasa ko sa social media. Alam nyo, maraming mababait na four-wheel drivers na magbibigay.
Ako.
Diba?
Pero after like third or fourth, nagsusungit na.
Oo. Sabi nila,
20, after 20.
oh,
After 20 riders.
sinasabi kasi ng mga four-wheel drivers, hindi lahat, pero yung iba sinasabi, mainit or umuulan, kawawa sila, paunahin mo na. Thank you, di ba? Thank you sa four-wheel driver na yun. Ang tanong ko, pag sumingit kayo at hindi pumayag sumingit, ang tanong ko sa mga two wheels, i-atras nyo ba yung motor nyo? Di ba hindi naman? Ipipilit nyo pa rin, di ba? Di ba? And Tina, ito pa isa pa ayaw ko. Yung mga kapwa kong rider sinasabi na maawa naman kayo. Mainit ho eh. Hindi nyo alam ang pakiramdam. Naka-helmet kami, naka-jacket kami.
Sinabi po ba naming mag-bike?
Exactly.
Sorry.
Exactly.
Ginusto nyo yan eh.
Tama. At saka, sa lahat ng bagay, may trade-off. Okay?
Yeah.
Ako nagmo-motor. Ito lang, papunta dito. Pero baka sabihin ng ibang tao, maiksi yan, taga Metro Manila ka eh. Hindi. North, South, pumipila po ako. Kasi ayoko namang, di ba, bubusina ka ng kotse, may magagalit sa'yo.
Yeah.
There's always a trade-off. Ako, pagpapalit ko yung pila sa tollway, pagpapalit ko yun sa oras, mas mabilis ako, pipila ka lang sa tollway.
Yeah.
Pero pagdating sa traffic, okay, naka-aircon kayo, ako wala. Pero makakauwi ako na mas maaga.
Steven, so pag sumingit ako, siguradong pasok.
May isa akong pet peeve. Alam mo sa mall, kapag magbabayad ka, oh my gosh, yung mga motor, nauuna talaga.
Sisingit. Oo.
Hindi ba nag-excuse or kakaway? Ay, bubusinahan ko ng bongga yun.
Wala. I mean, kasama ko yung family ko. Alam ko naman mag-skandalo ko doon, di ba?
Oh my gosh.
Wag. Pag nasa parking ka, lalo na basement parking, tapos magbubukas ka ng bintana para awayin yung tao. Wag, alam bakit? Pag nasa basement ka, maraming carbon monoxide. Kaka-obaji mo lang. Kakabelo mo lang.
Yung force mo.
Nako, grabe.
Hi, Paul! Tell them to park sa Park and Fly daw. Friend
Baka tumaas
namin
yung mo, ganito. Baka tumaas yung, ang tawag dito, pinky ba?
Papatan ako para sa'yo.
Hi, Paul, and congratulations again the opening of Beef Bar in Molito, Alabang. Ayan.
Ooh.
Sana matikman natin very soon.
I've been seeing posts about that place.
Hoy, Pfizer Monkey, is this lane splitting? Which lane are you talking about, Pfizer Monkey?
What? The ETC and the cash lane?
Okay, so
Okay,
again,
medyo walang context. So,
anong lane ba ang pinag-uusapan
Sorry,
natin?
what ano nakalagay?
is this
It's
lane?
display lane splitting.
Splitting.
Baka from an earlier message.
Approaching a tollway, wala ang tawag dyan, cutting lines.
Sabi nga ni Mad Chris, yung group motorcycles sa expressway talagang pipila.
Dapat pumila talaga. No, you can't say, I'm just lane filtering, lane splitting when approaching a tollway. No, alam mo naman yung nakikita mo from afar, nakikita mo naman kung ilang lanes yun, di ba? Pumila po tayo. Pumila po tayo. Kasi alam mo, lagi ko sinasabi, hindi ako plastic meron akong mga kaibigan magra-ride kami, di ba?
Tag mo kayo.
We have comms. We have comms di ba?
Yeah, yeah.
So, kunyari,
okay.
we, napaka-entitled mo talaga. Sisingit ka na naman. Alay ko sinasabi sa kanila, paano yung wife mo, yung anak mo, nakapila doon, sinisingitan lang ng gano'n. Kailangan ba mangyari sa pamilya natin bago natin ma-realize, di ba? Sabi ko, very simple, ganito na lang, nakapila tayo sa McDonald's, di ba? Masingitan ka lang ng isang tao sa pila,
Iinit na
nagagalit
ulo mo.
ka na, di ba? So, you have to understand, especially for those who are, patawag dito, gusto natin naman syempre lahat tayo tama, nasa sistema di ba?
As much as possible. Yeah.
Yes. Papunta tayo sa road rage, diba? Nakaka-cause ng road rage yung mga ganyan.
Yeah.
Maaring sa inyo, naiinis lang kayo, pero di natin alam may ibang tao handang manakit dahil nasingitan lang sa pila. Diba?
Totoo.
Which reminds me, you know what, in the future, we have to invite those authors of, there's a road rage act Sana nga mapabilis, diba? Kasi ang dami na ngayon, ang dami na naman. Ang SOCMED, diba? Gun building, diba? Pero yung isa may dalang ice pick, no? Binutas niya yung cotton na niyan, cotton camera yun. Binutas niya yung gulong nung nakaalitan niyang I don't know, four-wheel.
And to think that social media now is so big, hindi pa rin takot mga tao.
Hindi pa rin.
Marami pala kasi loob. Balik tayo sa NAIA parking for a while. A friend of mine, si John Abela, is suggesting na dapat show flight ticket muna before entering parking space.
Yun, diba?
Diba? So,
okay. So, totoong lilipad ka. 300
ang
fine mo.
Yung real travelers.
Yeah.
Diba?
Bakit bigla nilang generalize pa yun? Na, increase natin. Diba?
Yeah.
Unfair. Pfizer Monkey actually just tuned in. One lined up pala, kala ko while moving. Okay. Tapos masasabihan mayayabang mga four wheels according to Jake Lemons, which we get a lot of that.
Kahit nga kapwa kayo two wheels, hindi mo kasama yung may nagmomotor din, nakamotor ka din, siningitan ka rin ng kapwa mo nakamotor, naiinis ka nga.
Yeah.
Diba? So, it's very simple. Fall in line. Diba? Tinuro naman yan simula kindergarten tayo. So,
follow the rules, you guys.
Mainit. Doon sa mga nagmamotor na katulad ko, guys, mainit naman talaga. Diba? Pero choice natin yan, diba? Mas enjoy tayo nagmamotor, we save time. So, doon lang naman tayo pipila sa tollway kung, diba? Kung mahaba or kung naka-cash lane ka. Tsaka na natin yun. Konti na, maliit na bagay na lang yun.
Tama si Egay. May bagay ka nagugustuhin. May perks. And
yes,
may
Yes. Gusto mo nang maginawa, may aircon, okay.
And
mabilis.
Diba? Ako po ayokong mag-park.
I mean, kung nagmamotor ka, mas mabilis nga kasi sisingit-singit ka.
Exactly.
Dapat.
Like, I always have the choice of using a car or
Pros and cons.
papahatid. Pero ayoko pong makaabala. Mas mabilis mag-tricycle kasi on and off na lang ako. Magpa-park ako sa baba, walang parking, Ganun. I just wanna get on and off. Diba?
Buti pa yung mga e-bike may bubong
Nako, wag tayo pumunta sa e-bike.
May bubong.
Mahaba yung usapan natin.
Bubong lang naman sinasabi ko.
Maganda yun. Okay. Next.
Those
Next topic
e-bike
natin.
cyclists, di ba? Hindi naman lahat. Pero I believe lahat naman ng klaseng merong good and bad eggs di ba? Lahat
Exactly.
naman yan.
Lagi naman.
For those of you who just tuned in, this is For the Road. I'm with Egay Casada and Wee Gamboa. I will have to play a song. This was being brought to us by AmbiPure. I-clip ang AmbiPure para sa pangmatagalang freshness in between car washes.
Magic 89.9.
On today's best music, it's Katy Perry with Woman's World. 2:52. Before we wrap up For the Road, I think we can discuss one more, right? I got Wee Gamboa and Egay Casada with me. Don Joseph of FJ Moto is, yun ang pag-usapan natin, yung absent. Wala. He is enjoying his ride somewhere in Mongolia.
Is he in an event ba?
It's pleasure. Pleasure.
Hey, saying hi to my folks, my friends from Sunshine Television.
Uy.
Eva Reyes, Rolly Roldan, Alan, and Matt Malyari.
Okay, guys, for those of you on playback.tv/magic899, I keep checking out Wee's shoes. Dude, are those Jordans?
Of course. Nothing
Dude,
less.
like, I'm starting. Okay, not that I'm like officially a sneakerhead, but I have a collection of 5 pairs already, and I'm proud of it. And I
Oh.
never thought,
Since
I'd
when?
wear it.
Okay.
Paano ko di ba? Siyempre, dumaan kami doon sa face na, stilettos, high heels, whatnot. No, my back finally gave up.
There you go.
Gave out. So now I'm digging sneakers, and I have a total of 5 pairs. Yeah,
Congratulations.
I'm so proud of it. 5.
I'm so happy for you.
I hope-
It's a good
Teen.
start. It's a
And
good
I'm
start.
looking at Jordans.
Tina,
It's so
wait, sorry. I
nice.
hope those 5 pairs are all genuine.
Ay, yung isa Shopee lang. Shopee. And because it's mataas it's like platforms, yung matataas.
Nike.
Hindi, no name lang, no name. Oo.
Teka muna, babati lang ako.
Go.
Nakikinig sila. Perea Moto District. Hi, guys.
Hi guys, thank you they gave us a shirt, diba?
Thank you for the
Yep,
shirt.
Thank you for the shirt.
Uy, hindi. Binebenta ko sa inyo yun.
Ay, sorry.
Hindi, biro lang.
Ilang
Kala ko
gifts?
binayaran mo for us.
Kala ko na libre.
Perea.
Guys, by the way, don't go anywhere because after For the Road, I have a very special guest. His name is Joshua Kim and he's gonna serenade me. So kung gusto niyo magpaharana, stick around. But siwi magpapamacho yan eh. So, anybody else you want to say hi to?
PIAAPH. No?
Which
The
stands
father
for?
and daughter team of Edbert and Jen Chu.
Hi, Jen.
They are teen PIA yan mga
Hi, Tito.
auxiliary lights, mga LED lights.
Nice.
Yeah. I talked to them, I met with them recently kasi mag-expand sila sa mga bikes, motorcycles, especially small bikes, no. So,
When
our
you say small bikes, ito
scooters,
ba yung
150cc,
underbone, ganon?
underbones.
Okay, nice. Uy, natututo na yun. Mga underbone.
Lapit na.
No, it's nice kasi syempre, di ba, maraming, lalo ni mga TNVS, no? Madaming bumabiyahe dyan ng gabi pa rin eh. Di ba? They take orders even
It's
past.
a shorter trip kasi usually, di ba?
Yes, pero alam nyo na, kadalasan naman ng stock headlights ng mga motor,
Medyo.
they're not enough.
Oo.
Hindi sufficient. So, kailangan mo ng aux lights. And, PIA is a brand that's been there for years. No?
Nice.
Premium brand. Pero sinabi sa akin ng PIA-PH, yung ilalabas sila for small
It's
bikes.
super affordable.
Affordable. Gagawin
Nice.
nilang affordable.
Nice.
So,
Tama
maganda yun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, congratulations to where did I? Oh, we're opening a store. So congratulations to us. Sec Product Store. Ayan.
Wala man lang tayong freebie.
All Sec Product Store. Hello. Alam mo na kung sino ko kausapin.
In-announce niya pa. No? Pero wala naman tayong, wala.
Next week magdadala. So All Sec Product Store opening in Bantay, Ilocos Sur. Ayan.
Sana
So, yung
makasama
mga-
tayo dyan para maka-absent naman tayo dito.
Pwede naman. Paalam tayo si Boss Aido na.
Palayo kaya na ni DJ eh, di ba? Kaya nga Don Joseph eh. Palayo
Kaya
kaya
niya
niya mag-isa.
mag-isa.
Kaya niya mag-isa.
Iniwan
ng ano niya.
Malaki na siya eh.
DJ.
Iniwan naman tayo eh. Oh,
Don
ayan.
Joseph.
Anyway,
And, ayan,
also,
so,
shout out to Ride Manila and Scooter Depot, our friends from Scooter Depot.
ayan. I'm still dreaming of that. Oh my gosh. I saw this little Vespa with a sidecar na pero pambata.
Battery,
pero
pambata.
feeling ko kaya ko. Kaya yung weight ko.
Kaya yan. Oh wait, saying hi to Fedoroha. Sorry, I forgot her. I forgot to mention her kanina.
Hi, Fe?
Yes.
Hi, Fe. Ayan. Okay. So, last question natin. You guys,
Okay, so
parang, I feel like saving it for next week.
it's
Ang ganda eh.
it's an
Oo.
interesting topic. No?
Save it
So,
for
yeah.
next week. But we want to thank everyone who participated earlier. Thank you so much to Mad Chris and Sir Wayne and DJ Marcus, who sent me a picture that I sent him back in 1995, which I will show you in a bit. Kapit lang, ha?
Mhm.
Nung-
1995?
Yeah. He kept it all these years.
Wow.
Ano ba ginagawa ko nun?
Yun yung
Nag-field trip tayo sa Manila
ito,
Zoo.
sobrang fresh, sobrang vivid sa akin. Ito yung nagba-brown out gabi-gabi.
Oh my gosh! Yes, and we will.
Tama ba?
Do you know where we used to go? Promise, Luneta.
Oh.
Sorry guys.
Wala, may generator,
May generator
sila.
kami.
Oh. Yaba.
No, ko lang, wala kaming generator.
Kami, we were playing Patintero.
The rolling, blackouts,
Yeah.
diba? That would last how many hours ulit?
4 hours, 3 hours.
Uy, bakit sa amin parang more than that?
It varies.
China yung sa
Sometimes 6
kanya.
hours.
China yung kay Wii.
Ito ba malapit? Summer yun. Ginagawa nila yung summer.
Diba? Kaya nga masaya. Punta kami Luneta hanggang madaling araw. Diba?
Pero huwag nila gawin ngayon yun. Kasi
Latag ng banig.
it's not gonna be nice.
Guys, thank you so much for joining me today. And next week, maybe we can just give the question in advance. Oh, diba? Para next week,
Yeah.
may homework sila. What was the
Sige.
question again?
Bakit
just
hindi
wanna
ka crush
ask
ng crush mo? Diba?
Ask the
Wait,
public.
sorry. Hi, Lynn. My friend Lynn from Subic. Hi. Thanks for
Oy,
listening.
Ikaw pala talaga yung may nakikinig na crush.
Oo,
Crush.
taga-Subic pa.
Taga Subic.
Well,
Yeah, sige. Let's ask this next week, no? What do you guys prefer? A sedan? An SUV? A crossover? Or a pickup?
My God.
Yeah, for next week.
Should we include EVs?
Oh my
Maybe.
goodness.
Let's
That
see.
alone will take more than an hour, I swear.
EV is a different category all in all, di ba?
Yeah,
Oh.
ibahin natin yun. Pang ano na yun, pang December.
EV or hybrid? Yan.
Ayan.
Yes, pero yeah,
EV and
for
hybrid.
next week, let's discuss muna sedans, pickups, crossover,
And
SUV.
why? Ganon.
Yeah,
Why do you
Ganon.
prefer? Okay.
Yep.
Well, boys, thank you. This has been For the Road. We'll see you again next week.
Magic 89.9.